Ask any longtime Disney fan what made their trip magical, and most of the time, they won't name a ride, they'll tell you about a cast member. Someone who noticed something, someone who went a little out of their way, someone who made them feel seen. And while incredible cast members absolutely still exist today, that kind of personal magic can be harder to come by. Not because people care less, but because the environment has changed. Let's talk about that and why. I'm Lee with All About the Duck, and welcome back to the series on the Disney World details that didn't just disappear, they changed how the parks felt. If you love Disney nostalgia, classic park culture, and the little moments that made trips unforgettable, you're in the right place. And if this video brings back a memory you haven't thought about in years, hit subscribe. We're doing this all season. Cast members used to feel like they were woven into the magic, not just assigned to manage it. They weren't only operating rides or scanning tickets, they were part of the story. Think about ride operators who stayed in character just a little longer. Front desk cast members who asked, "Why were you visiting?" Street level cast members who stopped to talk instead of rushing you along. It felt unscripted, human, personal, and that's where a lot of the magic lived. Today, you'll see plenty of conversations online about cast member interactions. And to be very clear, most cast members are still incredible. Many of them truly make trips better. What's changed isn't their heart, it's the environment they're working in. And that shift matters because when interactions become shorter or more structured, the experience can feel a little less personal, even when everyone is doing their best. Almost everyone has one of these stories: a cast member who noticed it was your birthday before the button, someone walked you to a location instead of pointing, a ride operator who turned a bad day around with one comment or small gesture. Those moments weren't special because Disney forced them to happen. They happened because cast members had space to create them. They weren't watching a clock, they weren't juggling multiple systems at once, they were simply present. Here's the honest realities: cast members today are balancing more than ever before: more guests, more technology, more rules, more expectations. They're managing lightning lanes, mobile orders, app issues, guest frustrations, often all at the same time. And when the job becomes about keeping a very complex system running smoothly, there's naturally less room for spontaneous moments. It's not a lack of care, it's a lack of breathing room. Disney has always had guidelines. That part hasn't changed. But the way interactions are structured has. Today, experiences are designed to be consistent, efficient, and reliable for everyone. And that's important. But consistency can sometimes come at the expense of connection. When interactions need to follow set patterns, it becomes harder for them to feel personal. Older Disney moments often felt like they happened to you, not just to the crowd around you. For longtime guests, this is one of the most noticeable emotional shifts because we remember when cast members felt like co creators of the magic, not just caretakers of the process. And when that balance changes, Disney doesn't feel worse, it just feels a little more distant. Still impressive, still fun, but less personal than it once was. Here's the important part: incredible cast members are still out there. Personal magic still happens. But now, when it does, it feels like a wonderful surprise instead of something you quietly expected. And maybe that's why those moments stand out so much today, because they remind us of how Disney used to feel when personal connection was built into the pace of the day. If this is the Disney you fell in love with, you're going to want to subscribe. The entire series about the Disney World we miss and why. And in the next episode, we're going to talk about 5 Disney World changes I still fully don't agree. Cast members didn't just work at Disney World, they helped shape it. And if you miss that kind of magic, the human kind, you're not alone. So if you love talking about the Disney World that shaped us, the moments, the memories, and the little things that mattered, subscribe and come back to us each week. Because this series isn't about saying Disney was better back then. It's about remembering why it felt different. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, see you real soon.